Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 770 NC Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing is, let's put this in a pairing mode, okay? So let me grab these headphones here. And first thing I want to do is turn these on, okay? So I got a power button right here. Let me press and hold that power button for a few seconds so the light here turns on. It said power on. It said connected, so I'm connected to a different device. Now, you want it to go in pairing mode where it's going to be it's going to have a blue blinking light here. It's not blue blinking here. It said that I'm connected to a different device. I'm actually connected to my iPhone here. So in order for me to put this in a pairing mode, I can go ahead into the Bluetooth list on my iPhone and forget the device or basically unpair it. As soon as I do that, I'll get a blue blinking light, okay? If not, if I want to stay connected to my iPhone, I can just do a multiple point connection where I can connect the two, okay? So another way to do this, if we're on right here, now if I press and hold or I tap the power button here twice, 1, 2, it just said pairing. Now I get a blue blinking light. So now it's in pairing mode. So now I can go ahead and go to settings on your Android phone, go to Bluetooth, I'll go to connections here, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth. And now I'm going to go ahead under available devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. See that spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and under available devices. And you can see it popped up right here, JBL Tune 770 NC. Let's tap on that right there. I should get a pairing request right there. Let's tap on pair. And it just said connected, and you can see we're connected up here. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area. Anyway, we're connected here. You can see the volume rockers here working as well. There you go.